Yobwekirana ntoko ya chaka kurwase kaunti ya Kisii abwaseri tkoria rero mwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu abakakora etaro yaye ase kaunti ya Kisii anene gwikirana ase University ya Kisii asomuyega bwoko mwarigania omo vice chancellor we university eyo Nathan Ogechi okwana chingaki ekyo Machogu ni wabaka gokwanira egati emerobero babere bakubeka ase wizara y'ekisemi erikwenekia buna ibirengo by'ekisemi byabere bigosirwa keyima imeyense ya Kenya aboigo Machogu nabwakwenekia buna chibesa achiabere chikobwato kwago chiase chi university anenase aboroki wabo mwako mutangani eriyo koikirania emeroberio ya serikali yogosira chisemi meyense ya Kenya murikeito Mildred Momanyi na roboti rwa senchera yobwikirano
Vuna enchira yokogendera gusira chisemi imeyense ya Kenya bono nigo omwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu atalira university ya Kisii asigati abali bekirana n'omuliki obotambe ensemo y'obwagachi omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simba Arati amonigati yaba MCA kurwa ase county ya Kisii aso kumwaligania omo vice chancellor we university Nathan Ogechi uyo oirali bagaliaye Professor Akama ase omwaziri Machogu airali bagelyo kwerera iguru yemerobere y'eki scholarship iyo bachakirie ase atebire nigo serikali ya rule chibesago cha sabana be university ejo chimenyekanete buna help.
So we have a combination of scholarship and the loans which are given by IRON's Education Board. Like again, I promised the first years last week when I said yes, we have been doing some analysis. It has taken a little bit of time in order to determine who comes from where and who should be able to get what kind of amount. And that exercise, I'm happy to announce, it was completed and we have now released 5.2 billion to the first years in the form of loans. We try to determine the level of need, and once we determine the level of need using a scientifically proven method which is known as means testing instrument, which will be able to categorize us, those coming from backgrounds that are not able to pay the amount of money required, will be able to pay almost nil. And we have said those ones will pay only 5%, such that if the cost of the program is 200,000, the amount which they will be required to pay in a year is only 10,000.
Nigo omwaziri atebire mbachego chakya obwagachi w'ekinyomba ky'erigo lirense ukyase abarokigwa ase chi university eyo.
For you to come and run properly here, you must stay in areas which are good, areas which are decent, and that is why we are here, so that the Ruto administration can be able to start a project here of accommodating students, hostels, which will accommodate up to 10,000 students. What we want to do in this university is to make sure that there is better accommodation for the students, which is good, decent, and affordable.
Ase chingaki ekyo nigo ababulia abarayibonsi kubeka omulembekera chingaki asa abulia eserikali enene kubeka emirobiri y'obulendi ase ensi ya Kenya eliyokulenda amagima y'abananchi.
Requesting the security personnel in Kisii County, first to thank my brother Kindiki for ensuring that there is peace and tranquility in this part of Kenya, because the development can only thrive when we have security in our places. So let us not take it for granted. We also make an appeal to the local leaders to ensure that they have that one in their minds. Nobody should be able to compromise that, because once that is compromised, then many bad things will happen, and wananchi now required to focus more and more on matters development. Students required to focus on their studies, so that they will soon enough come and participate in nation building of this country.
Kuripotelea egetaseni kya Ndizi TV, elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.